Jama'a musulmai, don Allah, in ka ji voice ga ka share min ya kai gare shi.
Abuja from mamu nyina makwaba e de Ghana Nsem TV so. But omo dey so be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no what turn on notifications say be next time. Videos of this nature eba also sabit makabi na so actually what your comment section ho. Maybe whom be from Mr. President Amejo so TikTok or comment section ho. By be whom be from Mr. President Amejo so. Ko yin na dream say that chi bia no e between the new patriotic party aba power. Na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey. The need to Sudan say man we need that chi bia. Na the bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no. So wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and they say, who say you own it a responsibility. I mean, a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think, say, I do retirement. If you say a public office no more hold it, as a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushamin chankra, mommy enko. The enko video bimra. The video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary guy, not the perspective of Mr. President and here. Who commerce is here.
Jama'a musulmai, don Allah, in ka ji voice ga ka share min ya kai gare shi.
Brothers, wallahi, advice that them bad brothers, the suke tasowa da suke son su shiga into politics. The way da suke cikin politics, wallahi, never, come on, kaka trust politician, kaka depend on politician, never depend on politician. Asawasi mu politician muna da pankazanta.
Warahmatullahi ta'ala barakatuh. Bara na son ka sani. Politics na da daji. Politics na da daji pa. Amma ujin da kai ka je ka shiga nan yasa kake ganin shi haka nan. Ujin da kai ka je ka shiga sai yasa kake ganin shi haka nan. Kun je kun choose leader da yake depend kan shi kawai. Leader da ya zama self-interest ya ba kan shi kawai. Sai sa ku grassroots a wasu kuke gajiyan nan. Yaushe ka taba gani dan asawasi NPP ya taba fitowa yayi magana about our leadership. To me, ni advice da ni dan baka as your brother. Ujin da ka gan bai yi ma just shift. Muna son youth, muna son ka. Kuzo, na gan kana magana. Never depend on politician, never depend on what. Politics bai da daɗi. Wallahi, kariya ne. Amma ka san wucin da daka a yi a taimake ka. 24 years in parliament. Muna gaya muku, mun gaya muku, muka gaya muku. Still, ba ku yadda ba. Still, kuna nan kuna bin mutumin ga. 24 years in parliament. Me ya kula da asawasi mu? 24 years in parliament. Gaya mini. Yau, mun fadi shi wuce kaman karya ne. To gashi nan ku da kanku na fadi. Gashi nan ku da kanku na fadi. Ba ta mai ku ba. Government ku ke power. Dami. But as danwa, as brother, na gaya ma gaskiya. Na gaya muku gaskiya. Ba wai politics nan da kai ne ka ba a jifin wani ba. Da kai ne kai ma gobe ka ci amfanin shi. To an ka gani aka kai ba ka ci amfanin shi. There's a way you can shift. Guy can move. Ka je another party. If party nan su yi staying ka, we are willing to accept you in NPP. We are willing to accept you in Asawasi NPP. Can understand magana na? We are willing.
Esese gomuafo to abama wo. Na wo ba be ye MP. Na wo ba be di gomuafo so. Wo na wutimi ba bontin be criticize nia government bi aye. A wonim se nia government ya ye yi. E benefit your mind much more than wo government na wo praising no. Oponi hia chipo. Oponi hia chiu. Wo Captain Smart na si wunya MP a wo bedi. Ebie na wo MP mu. Se nye sika na wo ba be pa. Wo dia pa na obetumi a contribute dia ma man Ghana. Dia na Captain Smart obetumi a contribute ediama gomuafo. Obi onu timi ba bontin beka se NPP betena so anye hwe. Obi a onu wa ba bontin antime me president NPP se NPP ba amambuomi odi nhihye bi odi nyoma bi se na odi gu akwamu mane bo man Ghana. Wonim papa so wakata wani ka bone no. Okra oti unya MP obedi na napo category eno category eyepe insu atona as obi a wo so pese wo ye MP obi a wo so wo dwene man Ghana ho insu atona yiri nkofo na as obi a wo so wo dwene man Ghana ho be gina wo platform so aka tena president John Dramani Mahama se insu ato enti ye na ye bibi fa ho no wo gina wo to takre napo wo takre napo obi o chechire ni party no wo takre no obi o ni amambuo mu no wo takre no se wagidi Dr. Kwame Nkrumah tem Yesu kra ye di na tem na Kwame Nkrumah Yesu ye di na tem na Kwame Nkrumah otumfo kra ye di na tem na Kwame Nkrumah Kwame Nkrumah fighting for freedom no ono nke no fight na ura fisa Kwame Nkrumah she prison ho no o choro letter no o de manimpa na ede ko ye wo na podi Kwame Nkrumah tamti unti bida ba wutimi di na Akufo Addo atem na podi Kwame Nkrumah tamu eni nti wunti bida what's in a pun deserve so obeba be ye vice president but who deserve it na Akufo Addo na wabetena se edi nioma pani bi agu akwamu de ma man Ghana ama na benefit wa benefit wo ma me benefit wo papa benefit obi ano kura no wo di na tam ba ni hia chi no so wo pa MP edi enti wo ba be stand as a gomu MP how much more napo Senapo a disrespect Dr. Kwame Nkrumah na wo hu ni say ye bone a adenti na wo na wo correct na pono wo the same person ultimate na o platform to didi NPP fo atem edidi Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia edidi Akufo Addo edidi one kasankasa wo godfather Kofo wo di na tem so ya boa because we say wo be support NPP bia wo ya boa Kofo so ye NPP ni oponi hiachi okra wo se wo pese wo di MP na napo.
Are we okay? Are we really okay? Yeah, just say okay. President John Mahama ukromu inkrana sabi papa wote no say Ghana Republic 1960. Are we serious? Just say yeah serious pa. Hey, are we okay? Are we really okay? Yeah, just say okay. President John Mahama ukromu inkrana sabi papa wote no enso ayiri fa wo ma ye kobompa ye Friday akopeden ye kobompa ye se Nyankopon na emeboaye ya akwadwofoɔ ama bibia ye de hyɛ mpaibo one ka say Friday yɛn kɔdwene ɛkwan a yɛbɛfa so asolve flooding yɛbɛ solve doom so yɛbɛ solve unemployment adwuma eni hɔ yɛbɛ solve apomuden ensem a obitimi kɔ hospital no akɔwu yɛn ka say Friday yɛkɔbɔ yɛkɔbodwa 16 regions ni nyina yɛkɔden a yɛkɔden Nyankopɔn ase say Ghana Republic 1960. Are we serious? Just say ye serious pa.
So ene da no. Se mo de bia ye kan ho asem. Oman we just say yenim oman ni issue ayewo. Ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku for Dr. Laji Mahmoud Bawumia ye de ma oman we a. Any 2024 elections eko e no ma Dr. Bawumia e den e de kire Ghana fa se me ba we na me yama mo na. Busia na ke ye nsem fata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact, on my bit me could borrow or my be presidency. On my bit me could borrow or my be leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is yentime because of time. But those ones yetimi we go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact, equipping hospitals are all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, many can say, hospitals and they go on and no woman say. It is a Kenyan who saying a no man in Abaya. It is a kind of country was I would to me was I mean, say almost same people for. Name my comfort my sacrificing discard to what the hospitals are most of my for. I comfort my facilitating me on funded free seniors who some for. You see, any Ghana for debut. Na fe na tables na ten afi dem mokekam kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nkoma no ntu asofo no with the greatest of respect, omo nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Chief imam for ne nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Politicians ne nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Market women no nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina ye ho. 2020 dua, then we will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono ba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open konketenkete. Nanze bibini na nkasa de se bi ye bibia ye nketenkete ya adwen nketenkete ye bibia ye bia invest square ye nketenkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open konketenkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most open konketenkete. Is any one there? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Na na yete ne nyina ho papa na fe na mbusu wa kire me. Me na wo ne wo sia kire me sabi me na me ko ka kire Rajon Dramani ma so o mema us come to boot one. Ye wa ha. Digitalization ye start say ye mo se da bi. Digitalization en to kinki, nti mo pe kinki sika. Nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu a ade na mo kam. Ye wo ko mo ya. And the Rajon Dramani mama could not and can form Gafun catch up say, oh, Gafun, na more than kinky and we have utilization there. And I got for so can you but Banama boom, 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 boom. Much about my kinky government. It's me.
Say dear go your credit menu now to me who let be a Y0uth for Troy about Council of State member voter region. Now Miss hey. Remona Chapa ya happen say where can say Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, the letter now was say Council of State member no were former staff Emanam one, which is never true.
Onya
Juma or da. And Onya Juma or da. Emanam one for the first time. Nam one I post. Oh yes. na mo aye post
Ya no catch you be say o di pa ne boa.
O se